Good morning, my friends. I've got a wand here that is a master wand finally, and it is a hazel wood at 13.5 inches with a griffin feather core this time. Go ahead and check that out. And this one is heading to Oroville, California, to a person who invented the spell Junban. It is a spell that turns the opponents, or whoever's hit by the spell, into solid wood. This is a pretty cool spell. I'll explain a little bit more about the spell inventing that we have with our Wand Chooses the Wizard questionnaire. It's kind of cool. We've actually been doing it for years now and have a big load of spells that have been created, and I'm going to start sharing those who have been doing that part of our questionnaire and the spells that they've invented as I go through and do these videos. But yeah, we'll go ahead and show you some close-ups of this master wand, and you can tell me what you think about this one too. But I hope you're all having a good morning, and I'm just enjoying a very rainy day outside before I head off to church. But check it out.